Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we're at Jollibee's here in Newcastle. Jollibee's is a Filipino fast food chicken chain, but they do other things. So we've got a bit of everything to try. We didn't get a burger and we didn't get a hot dog, but we'll see afterwards if we can fit any of those in. One of the things I've gotten, which I am really looking forward to, is the spaghetti. Apparently it's like no spaghetti you've ever had. It's very sweet. It's not everybody's taste. We will see if it's to my taste, and it has bits of hot dog in it. Yeah. So here we have it. Our food has arrived. As you can see, we've ordered quite a bit. So of course I have to try this first. And like I say, it's meant to be quite sweet. I actually quite like that. I didn't expect to like that, but I actually quite like it. I've got told, well, I've seen Tim's videos and Adam's videos, when they say that the sauce is really sweet. It's not that sweet. It is sweet compared to normal pasta sauce, but not that sweet. I like it.
I've got a piece of chicken there.
Emma's getting amongst.
I know what you're saying about how sweet, like the sweetness. But yeah, it's quite nice. I could eat that again.
So Emma got a chicken tender meal and gravy. As you can see, she's chopped up the chicken tenders already.
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
They're the chicken cheesy loaded fries.
Ah, so I was wrong. That's the loaded fries.
But you got the sriracha one.
I got the sriracha one. Emma got the gravy one. What's it like?
It literally, I think it's just the chicken tenders chopped up on the chips. You get a portion of gravy to pour on, and then a sprinkling of cheese. That's technically all
That's
it is
basically
anyway.
what it is, yeah. So what is it like? What is the chicken tenders like?
Well, the tenders are nice because I've actually already bit a tender. And they're actually really nice. But I'll have a look with an extra chip.
What's it like? Is it like KFC? Is it not like KFC?
No, it's not like KFC. It's I feel it's a little bit more sweeter.
I like that gravy better than KFC. I do not like the KFC gravy at all. Jollibee gravy, I like it. So I got the sriracha loaded fries, which is basically the chicken tenders, the fries with a sriracha spicy sauce on top. So let me have a little taste of this sauce. There's not a lot of sauce. I was expecting a lot more, to be fair, and the picture has it with spring onions. What do the Americans call them? Scallions. Yeah. Scallions, spring onions, yeah. Which I don't have any on my plate. Again, the sauce is quite sweet, and it's not very spicy. Well, it is spicy, but not as spicy as a normal sriracha, I would have thought. Next to try, we'll have the signature fried chicken. Piece of joy, apparently.
Is it a piece of joy, Terry?
The bread is soft, where all the videos I've seen of when they're in America, it's really crispy, but the corn's not as hard as I thought, and it's not as seasoned as KFC. As you can see, it is very moist in the middle, but I was expecting the bread to be a lot crispier and a lot more seasoned, but it's still nice. And the next thing to try is the chicken sandwich, which has actually gone quite cold, even though As you can see, we're not eating everything straight away. We're going back to things and just trying to get things whilst they're warm, but that one is went quite cold within about 10 minutes. Okay, chicken sandwich. It's very nice chicken, not very spicy, not very seasoned, but very good quality chicken compared to KFC. Just look at that. And last up we have the peach mango pie, reminiscence of McDonald's apple pie but smaller. Oh my god, that's good. Messy but really good. Very, very peach flavoured. Not much mango, but my god, that's good. I don't know. I hope you don't, so I can get it back.
Yeah, it is quite nice. I've heard the garlic before. Oh my god, I didn't even get a second chance.
So that was Jollibee's here in Newcastle, which, like I said, is a Filipino chicken place, but they also do burgers and pasta and pies and stuff. Anywho, what did I think of it? Well, it is not as spiced and it's not as seasoned as places like KFC, but I liked it a lot better. I thought the chicken quality was a lot higher. It was real pieces of chicken, and yeah, even in the burger it was like real chunky chicken breast. Will I go back again? Yes, it's now my go-to chicken place. The only things we missed out on were the
hot dogs,
the hot dogs and the Yum Burger.
Yeah,
so we'll have to go back and try those. We couldn't find them on the menu, so they may have sold out, but we will try them the next time we come back. So that being said, Jollibee, all right for me. Hey! See you all in the next one.
Now it's time to do your job.
Whoop whoop. Jollibee chicken soup. That they don't do soup. Wah wah wah.